We're here in Las Vegas, Nevada at CES Unveiled. This is the exclusive media event that happens before CES to give all of you an exclusive look at some of the products that are coming. I'm taking you through the top tech that I see today. Use the chapters down below to jump to each one. And if there's something specific that you want more info on, leave a comment down below. Now let's get into it. This is the Circular Ring, a new smart ring to compete against Oura Ring. Simplistic in design, this ring has a series of sensors built to track your sleep, energy, and overall health. It has a connected app to show you your stats, and different than the Oura Ring, it actually provides a really responsive haptic feedback to send you notifications, which in my opinion, they've perfectly executed. The app itself has a sleep report, breathing stats, oxygen saturation, temperature, step counting, cardio points, and even an alarm clock that can wake you up with haptics for an ease into your day. There's a series of circles at the top for a glance at your info that you try to fill throughout the day. And here you can even see the depth of that sleep tracking, which I personally think is the highest use case for a ring like this. It retails for $284 US and comes in silver, black, rose gold, and gold, with an optional sizing kit for $5 and extra ring shells for $20. Next up, I spoke with Invoxia, who is the creator of the Smart Dog Collar. This collar is designed for medium to large dogs equipped with GPS tracking to see their path, get notifications when they leave the set zone, but it also goes a lot further into understanding the health of your pets. In the compatible app, you'll get info like sleeping, heart rate, and tips to keep your dog healthy. You'll also get the location of your dog, the path they took, and all the details on their activity like walking, playing, and even eating. We got a hands-on with the app to see firsthand the detailed location tracking, the history of locations, and even the path that they took. We also saw some of the activity tracking that tells you the full story on your pet's activity. It also gives you valuable heart rate data that can help you diagnose a problem with your pet. Overall, I thought this was a really cool idea, and if you don't buy it, maybe it just means you don't love your pet as much as you think. Invoxia Smart Collar is not yet available, but it is coming in Q1 at $149 per collar plus $825 per month for the app subscription. Next, we visit NoWatch, which is a company on a mission to restore balance and well-being to a heavily technical world. This is a beautiful looking smartwatch that monitors your vitals and comes with interchangeable watch faces made from natural cut gemstones that both look sharp and are guaranteed to be unique with each cut. You can see a variety of the options here, and that's not even all the options that they have. The watch provides haptics throughout the day designed to prompt you to convey your current state, whether that's happy, stressed, or anything else. Then it pairs that feeling with your core vitals to get a greater correlation between your feelings and your vitals. It's a unique idea to a watch that doesn't actually tell time, but there's something beautiful in the idea to detach from technology and focus on mindfulness, and it certainly provides a calmer result than a constantly buzzing Apple Watch. Switchbot is a company that I've talked about a lot on this channel, using many of their products in my own home. This year they're stepping up to support Matter through a new hub too, and in an environment where they're already supporting nearly every other home assistant, this was the next reasonable step. It'll launch first on the hub, then Switchbot curtains with a retroactive update, and we assume more products will follow this year, so make sure you're subscribed to see more Switchbot updates throughout the year. Nanoleaf highlighted their limited edition black Nanoleaf shapes, and they also joined the Matter lineup, bringing their existing shapes lineups and the launch of new bulbs and light strips with Matter support coming later this year. They're also launching a new hub and wired or wireless remotes, all with motion tracking and built-in AI to better understand how you use your home and will automatically adjust your lighting based on your habits. So this would be kind of the first product to proactively work around your schedule on autopilot. The hub and light switches both launch in Q4 of this year. Govee has made some similar updates, including Matter support light strips and a gaming sync box which displays a glow based on what's on your screen, and it also uses AI to determine the intensity of the game and then amps up the effects where necessary. The sync box will be compatible with their current lineup of products retroactively, which comes in March, and then Matter support light strips which come later on this year. So if you want more coverage like this, then make sure you subscribe and see more media coverage all week from CES. Make sure to follow me on Twitter at VittorTech for live real-time updates of all of the products that are happening. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.